Hello, I'm Pastor Marcus Whitman, Storehouse Church, 529 Minnesota Avenue. Want to invite you trunk or treat. Coming up, Halloween, things are going on, looking for a place to hang out with your kids. Come by here. Spend a few minutes with us. We're going to have several trunks decorated, giving away candy. We're going to also give away a Walmart gift card. All you got to do is register and drop it in the bucket. If you win, we'll call you later and make sure you get a hold of it. But we want to have fun. We care about your kids and we care about you. So come out, hang out with us October the 30th from 5 to 7:30. You can just come by at any time. And we're going to have a great time, trunk or treat, Storehouse Church, 529 Minnesota Avenue.